Hi, this is Mr. Wilstead. We're going to talk about our 5 stances. We're going to talk about attention, ready stance, front stance, horse stance, and fighting stance. So the very first one, attention. Whenever a teacher calls attention, you're going to put your feet together, put your hands at your side, and you say attention sir or attention ma'am, depending on who's teaching you. So we're going to practice a little bit. We're going to stand relaxed. And we're doing attentions. Attention sir. We stand relax. Attention. Attention, sir. We stand relax. And attention. Attention, sir. And while you're in this stance, you don't move. You're like a statue. Our next stance we also don't move in. It's called a ready stance. So we're going to step apart, take our fist, punch down, and say, "Hi." That's ready stance, sir. Now let's go back to attention. And back to ready stance. Hi. And attention, and ready stance, hike, and one more, attention, and ready stance, hike. Now from here we're going to go into our front stance. Our front stance is nice and long and strong. So we're going to take our foot, we're going to step forwards, do a nice big step, leave our other foot back where it was. We're going to bend our front knees so much we can't see our own toes. Our back foot's totally straight. And then our foot is straight forwards, just like the rest of our body is. We want to think of our belly button or the knot on our belt is also forwards. Put our hands up, slicing like this. We're going to go back to ready stance, hike. And then we're going to front stance, hike. Back to ready stance, hike. Front stance, hike. Back to ready stance, hike. Front stance, hike. Good. Ready stance. Now we're going to do our other side. Ready. Front stance, hike. Back to ready stance, hike. Front stance, hike. Back to ready stance, hike. Front stance, hike. Back to ready stance, hike. Awesome. Now we're going to do it from the side. So you can see this way. I'm going to step forward with the side, my right side. Hike. Good. Again, you can see that my leg is not bent. It's super straight, and then my back foot is forwards. And then from the other side, the same thing. Take that big step forward, and the front knee is super bent, the back leg is not. Nice and straight. Okay, moving on to horse stance. This one is nice and wide and strong. It's this way. We're going to take our feet, make sure they're like 2 shoulders apart, and our knees are out. They go outwards, not in. And our backs are straight. Our hands are up chambered, and our feet are straight forwards too. You can see your toes that go straight the same way your body does. So we're going to go back to ready stance. And then horse stance, ready stance, horse stance, ready stance. One more, horse stance. Now, last one we're going to talk about is fighting stance. This one you make an L shape with your feet. Take all your weight, you put it on your back foot. Your front foot's so light, you can just barely touch the ground like you're touching water. You don't want to fall into the water. It's going to be nice, just dip your toes. Good, so we're going to go back to ready stance. We're going to a fighting stance, hike. Ready stance, hike. Fighting stance, hike. Ready stance, hike. Fighting stance, hike. Ready stance, hike. Now we're going to switch our sides. We're going to use this side. So our back foot needs to face this way now. Our front foot is forwards. Now go back to ready stance. Fighting stance, hike. Ready stance, hike. Fighting stance, hike. Ready stance, hike. And fighting stance, hike. Fighting stance can also be called guard, and this is what we use for kicking and sparring. It makes us slide on our feet and easily move around. Practice what you learn and make it rock.